Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Step 1. Open Excel. Launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. Step 2. Access the options. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Excel window. From the drop-down menu, select Options. Step 3. Go to Trust Center. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on Trust Center in the left-hand menu. Step 4. Open Macro Settings. Within the Trust Center, click on the Trust Center Settings button. Step 5. Enable Macros. In the Trust Center dialog box, select the Macro Settings option from the left-hand menu. Then, choose the desired option to enable macros. The recommended option is usually Enable all macros for most cases. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.